All right, I'm gold.
If I give you my number, can you send me it?
You don't feel good, huh? So I just.
Is there anybody in here?
Like I haven't been able to read the last few minutes.
That's crazy. That door just slammed shut.
Can you shut this door over here? Shut this door again. Come with this one. Can you shut that door again for us, please?
Can you shut? Yes, please.
That was really neat. We enjoyed that.
Do you not want us in here?
Someone else. Both doors were shut. She just opened that one. Yeah, leave it open. We'll see if it shuts again.
You want to shut the brothel down and shut it? You're full for business? I actually think that guy who was sitting in the chair is the muscle here. Like the feeling I was getting was like kind of like the same I get when I'm at the brothel at Shanley.
Yeah.
There is a pretty good breeze coming from the back porch into this room, so I can understand why that door closed.
Which one? This one?
This one in this room. Because when you go into that bedroom, the sheets on the end of the bed are just full. See, there it is again.
That door opens and closes all the time on.
Okay.
Well,
Can you
the
shut
wind.
this door?
Here it goes.
I hope. Come on. You wanted me out of here, didn't you? Come on.
Shut it.
Come on, shut it. Come on.
Sweet. Thank you.
Thank you.
My
Hi.
I
God.
got the chills.
Holy shit.
Can you pull the door back open?
I'm not allowed in the brothel.
Alright.
Well, I'm opening the door.
Yeah, open it. Come in.
May I enter, please?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Dude.
State your business here tonight.
Look. I want to come in, and you can't stop me. You think
There
you're going to
goes the
stop me?
door. There it goes.
All right, here I come. Come on, shut it. Good. If you don't want me in there, shut that door.
They didn't want him in the brothel.
You're done? I can come in now?
Now, to confirm, you did not feel a breeze.
No,
And there was no breeze coming through this
there
door.
was no breeze. Like I feel a breeze now, and that door is not moving. All right. May I enter the brothel?
Check this shit out. No. When it shuts.
All right, I'm coming in. Thank you. Now I want to get busy. Close the door. He's gone. I don't feel it
I
anymore.
don't either. That was cool.